Today I'll show you how to mint and redeem your F assets. First, open the minting dashboard using one of the links below. Then click Connect Wallet. Choose your preferred wallet connection. For this demonstration, I'll use Bifrost. Click Wallet Connect. Select the networks you want to connect to, then click Connect. A QR code will appear. Scan the QR code and confirm the connection in your wallet. Once connected, you'll see your current XRP position and pool information. Click Mint. Make sure your XRP address is connected. Click Mint XRP, then select the number of lots you'd like to mint. You can go with the pre-selected agent or choose another one. Review all the details carefully, then click Next. Confirm the FLR reservation in your wallet, followed by the XRP deposit. You can now close this window. You'll see a pending transaction listed below. After a few minutes, the minting process will be complete. Your XRP balance will update, and the transaction status will change to Finished. To redeem your F assets, click Redeem. Select number of lots to redeem. Check all the numbers. Click on Next. Confirm the transaction in your wallet and wait a few minutes for the process to complete. Refresh the page once done. Finished. To deposit into collateral pools, go to the Pools page and select the pool you want to deposit into. Click Deposit, choose the amount, then click Next. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. Close the confirmation window and refresh the page. That's it. Curious about why you should mint XRP? Check out the next video below.